Hi everyone. Today let's see how to plan a lesson. So we need to go to learning and then lesson plan. Now here in the lesson plan there are two ways to plan a lesson. First is with timetable and other is without timetable. So let's first see how to plan a lesson with timetable. For that select your class and click on get plan. Now here the timetable slots are visible. Now click on that particular time slot you need to plan a lesson. Here my class and subject is already selected. Now I need to add the chapter and topic which I'm going to teach. So here click on the blue button that click here to select from syllabus repository. And otherwise you can manually enter your chapter or topic if there is any extra topic other than the syllabus repository. Like this you need to add your chapter and press enter, and in the same way you need to add the topic and press enter. Otherwise if it don't get preserved, so I'll pick up my chapter and topic from syllabus repository. You can also select your chapter and topic from this monthly planner as well, which means if you have already planned your syllabus in academic planner, then it will be visible in monthly planner. Now click on add, and if there is any lecture note for this lesson plan, then you can enter here. If there is any attachment for this particular lesson plan, then you can browse from here and then click on plan and do not publish. Now the lesson plan is successfully updated, but you can see this is in the blue color right now, and it won't be visible to students and parents because we haven't published this lesson plan. So if you wish to publish this lesson plan to students and parents, you need to click on this publish button, otherwise it won't be visible to them. So click on publish, it will ask for the confirmation and click on ok. So it turned into another color. So this lesson plan is now published. Now the second way is, here you can see the plus plan button. Click on this plan, select your class and subject, and now select your chapter and topic by using the syllabus repository or adding manually. But I recommend to choose your chapter and topic from syllabus repository. Now enter the lecture note if there is any attachment, and click on plan and do not publish. Now this is in draft state right now, so you need to drag and drop it to the required date and time. Now this is also in a blue color right now, so if you are going to publish this, you need to click on this timetable slot or this lesson plan and click on publish. Now this will be visible to students and parents. So this is how we can plan a lesson with timetable and without timetable.